Okay, hi everybody. I'm trying to make this as easy to understand. In video 1 for attributes, we went to Catalog, Option Name Manager, where we learned how to put in, please pick the size, please pick the fragrance. That's an option name. Then in video 2, we went to Catalog, and we went categories, but instead of going to categories, we went Catalog, Option Value. And that's where we put in a big swimming pool filled with all sorts of scents or sizes or whatever. I was at my spa supplier today. I sold him a bunch of soap, but he had a bunch of duckies in a hot tub. It was so cute. But one was a pirate and one was a nurse and all this other, just different types of duckies. And he threw them all into one hot tub. Well, Option Value Manager is where we went in video number 2, and we threw all of the scents that or any option values that we could put into this big swimming pool of stuff to pick from. Okay, this is video number 3. We're going to learn how to use the Catalog Attributes Controller. Okay, now we created an option name and we've created all our option values. But now we have to take out our Elmer's glue and we have to glue all that to a product, because it's not going to let us assign attributes unless we have gone ahead and picked the product to do it to. Very important, before I could continue with Attributes Controller, it's really important that you go to Catalog Categories. I'm going to be doing soy wax tarts. So it's very important that I go into that product first and make sure that I'm doing product is priced by attributes, okay? Very, 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 very important. Otherwise, it's not going to show up, okay? All right, now we're going to go ahead and go to Catalog and Attributes Controller. Here are the categories. I want to add attributes to my soy wax tarts. So I'm going to go over here and go down to Soy Wax Tarts category. And I see that I've got a product there in there, the Soy Wax 2-pack tarts for $1.10. I put 2 little tarts in a package. Very important, you must click Display. Now I'm going to add the choices to that product. So they're asking me, which one do you want to use? Well, this is not about size, because I'm trying to pick fragrances in a drop-down. So I'm going to do please pick fragrance, country cranberry, insert. Now this is real tedious because you have to go back down again, and please pick fragrance, dragon's blood, insert. Let's see what that looks like. There you go, it's starting. Woo-hoo! Okay, now I scroll down again. Please pick fragrance, go to the third one, insert. What's really cool about this is maybe, sometimes I don't have all the fragrances in stock, okay? Fraser for Times, insert. After Christmas, you can go to Attributes Controller and go to the product and find the product, and then if you do this, actually up here, when Christmas is over, you can delete frankincense and myrrh from the list. But right now, I've already gone down to, okay, I need the next one, Grandma's Kitchen, insert. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and go down again. Please pick fragrance. Honeysuckle, insert. What happens if I go ahead and attempt to do honeysuckle again? What will it say? Oh, it'll say duplicate, it wasn't added. So it protects you from adding it twice. That's pretty cool, huh? So the last one I did was honeysuckle, so please pick fragrance, My Clean House, insert. Okay, I'm going to scroll down. And please pick fragrance, My Clean House. I already did that. Honeysuckle. Root beer, insert. Who wants their house to smell like root beer? Scroll down. Please pick fragrance. Spiced pumpkin. I guess you could try to do I've never done the two of them together, but okay, so we have already did spiced pumpkins up there. The last one is stress relief. Insert. Okay. Now I have the attributes controller says you go and glue yourself to this product, and by doing that you did catalog, attributes controller. After making sure that your category had product is priced by attributes radio button chosen, you go, these are categories. I went to the soy wax tart category. I found the product. I clicked display, and then I did these values. Now I have this, I'm gonna try something different here, but not now. I don't want to confuse you. So right now we're going to go here and we're going to refresh. And look what happened here. Whoa ho, isn't that neat? That's so cool. What happens if Christmas is over and I want to take frankincense and myrrh out? Okay? I would go and say, okay, I need to take frankincense and myrrh out of that product. All I have to do is go to catalog, attributes controller, and you go and you pick soy wax tarts, pick the product, display, and then you delete here, and it would delete that selection from the list. So your homework is to go to your Zen cart, and I want you to, first of all, go to your categories and products, pick the product that you want to assign attributes to, and make sure the product is priced by attributes, preview, update, okay? After it's like, okay, I'm signaling that I'm ready to add attributes to this product, so I've done it to the product. Your next step is to go to catalog, attributes controller. Pick the category, pick the product, pick display, and then you're going to go ahead and scroll all the way down and do this and start insert, insert, insert. You know you've done it correctly. All the inserted ones are going to be in this middle one, okay? So it's saying for soy wax tarts, we have all these option values selected, okay? If you have any trouble, let me know. We could divide this video into 3 more videos to, there's 3 different parts. Option name manager picks the definer, please pick fragrance, please pick size. Option value manager picks the, you put in all the values into the big swimming pool of values. And then the attributes controller is where you go and you actually glue those things to the product. I hope this makes sense. Try it out, see what you think, okay?